Chucki beat.
Alright, today's video we about to do, I don't know why I said we, I'm about to do some cleaning, some cable management. I did have this all organized at one point, then I kept adding stuff, moving it, changing it again, but I think I'm pretty satisfied the way everything is set up now. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get this as organized as I can, because I got way too much stuff. I don't know how I'm gonna hide these cables, but yeah, we're gonna see. And I did take a trade on the silver this morning. I had two positions. One of them hit TP right here. I still got another one running. It's kind of stalling out, but I do believe this is gonna continue to push up. I may do a breakdown video, just throw it in here. But yeah, that's pretty much the two trades I took today. Gonna help me out? Hey, just go sit there. Cause your daddy need help. My back hurt. I ain't got time to picture today. I ain't got time today. I got cleaning to do. So this the finished product. Just as good as it's gonna get. I did try to wrap those cables up there, as well as over here. But I don't like to put them too tight, because then you don't have no slack on them. You know, when you're trying to move stuff around. So yeah, I had to leave a little bit of slack, which is cool. All right, y'all, here go my trading / gaming setup, if that's what you want to call it. I'm about to do this in one take. I'm not doing no cuts. There's not about to be no MKBHD video with the robot arm and a slide and camera movement. I ain't doing none of that. Left to right, old school Canon 70D. I pretty much use this for recording and streaming inside of OBS. Works as a webcam too, if you're trying to use Zoom or whatnot. The tablet. Got the Galaxy Tab S6. If I don't feel like getting out of my bed to trade, I jump on the tablet. You can pull up Trading View on here, just like you can pull it up on the computer. More convenient than a laptop, lighter, easier to travel with. So yeah, it's a great little tablet. Got my monitors. Asus, Acer. This one, I bought this one not too long ago. It's 144 hertz. I bought this one a long time ago, and it still works. I bought that one a long time ago, and it still works. So I keep it. But this one here is still using DVI connection. That's how old this monitor is. DVI to HDMI. This one is HDMI to HDMI. So for this one, I got two connections. The HDMI is going to the video card on my computer, and then the other HDMI, no, it's the DVI going to the video card, and then the HDMI is going to my capture card. I'm gonna go over that in a little bit. Next, what we got? Turn these lights down. Got the RGB keyboard, RGB mouse, RGB mouse pad. Come on, focus. Focus. Like I said, one take, I ain't doing this video over. So the mouse pad has a button that'll change the color. But I like to keep it rotating. RGB is the thing. Got LEDs on the side of the desk, LEDs under the desk, and then I have another set of LEDs behind this monitor. And these remotes, so this first remote controls the LEDs behind the desk. So that purple should turn off, turn it on, change to red, green, blue. We keep it at purple though. And then this other gigantic remote for no reason controls the LEDs underneath the desk. Turn it off, turn it on. Now if you want to have a seizure, do something like that. But you know, I'm gonna keep it, let's keep it I'm gonna keep it blue. Keep it blue. So the LEDs on the desk, this is hooked up to Google, and the lights up here too. Google turn the office lights to red, so these turn red. These turn red as well. Oh, change the office lights to blue. Turns blue. Turns blue. These kind of suck, I ain't gonna lie. They don't give off no light, but that's what that light is for. Pretty much use this for streaming and recording. I'm gonna leave some links in the description. If y'all looking for some of these products, they'll be in the description. Most of these came from Amazon. Probably all this came from Amazon. So, and then we got this little light here. I just kind of keep this up. You can change colors. Change this to purple. You can do white as well. So it's a nice little light. Sony light right over here. Got the headphone stands, RGB, the 2 USB ports for charging my watches. Galaxy watch. I don't even know the brand of this watch, but it works good. Headphones. I ain't used them in forever. I ain't gonna lie. A6400 Sony. This is how I get my multi-cam view inside of OBS. I use the Sony and the Canon. I'm gonna pull that up and show y'all how that works. Hard drive, PS4. The receiver for the headphones. PS4 looking dusty. Controller. And the controller charging dock. The PC. So I'm gonna post the specs. 'Cause I ain't gonna lie, I don't know them off the top of my head. I know it's a Ryzen 7. I maxed it out with 128 gigs of RAM. So when I built this, I never changed out my graphics card because I couldn't find any because of all the damn Bitcoin miners taking all the graphics cards, jacking up the prices on them. So I didn't upgrade that, but I use this mostly for editing. If I was using this for gaming, I would definitely need to upgrade the graphics card. But with the memory being 128 gigs of RAM, if y'all use Adobe Premiere, then you know Adobe Premiere eats up RAM like crazy. But this still does a good job with 4K editing. As far as rendering and whatnot, still does a good job. So on the gaming side, so usually if I jump in on a trade and I'm just kind of watching it and managing it, I'm not just gonna sit here. So fire up the PS4 and the mic too. I don't even know the name of this, the brand of this mic. I don't care, it works. But if you want to know, I will leave the link in the description. And that's just hooked up to the back of the desk. Same thing with this the tablet. It's a stand that's just clamped onto the desk. And the monitor stand is the same way. Oh yeah, and then under here, this how I'm getting power to my mouse pad with the RGB lights, my tablet, keep it charged up. And then what else? Oh, my wireless phone charger, which is right here. Cause don't nobody have time to be plugging in cables. Just pop it on and you're good. So the PS4, here we go. Change this HDMI. So I got the PS4 running into the capture card, and then the monitor is also running into the capture card as well. That way when I pull up OBS, let me switch my profile, PS4. So when I pull up OBS, I got one cam over there. Oh, actually I'm tripping. The Sony is right here, and then the Canon, gotta turn it off. Canon will show up right here. And then I have this, I don't have my PS4 controller hooked up, but when I had controller hooked up, it'll show the input, like the buttons you press, and it'll show up on the screen. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What I'm playing right now, I'm playing Snow Runner a lot and Ghost Recon Breakpoint. That's pretty much what I'm playing at the moment. Then also memory card reader. I got 2 hard drives over there. One is for OBS. All my OBS recordings go to one hard drive. And then the other one is just a backup drive. Then I almost forgot. Down here, this cable management look ugly, but up here, it ain't too bad. But yeah, so this little, where is that at? Right here. This is how I'm powering the PlayStation Lite, Sony camera. I keep it plugged in, so when I'm recording, I'm not just running off of batteries. The headphones, got them charged up, and then the outlet plugged into the headphone stand. Damn, that's dusty too. Oh well. That's the power for the controller. That's pretty much it. If y'all have any questions, let me know. And I'm attach this breakdown of this silver trade. I'm gonna put it at the end of this video. All right. So as promised, this is a quick little trade breakdown on silver. I try not to make this video too long, but the whole thing with this trade, it just completed this bearish cycle. And also, this was NFP, Friday NFP, I believe. You had this big wick rejection. And I'm on a daily time frame, by the way. So on the daily, you got this bullish engulfing candle. It almost took out 3 of these bearish candles. So bullish engulfing candle on the daily. You look at the 4 hour. You got a morning star candlestick pattern. Now it may not look like, you know, the ones in a textbook candlestick Bible, all nice and neat, but this is definitely a morning star candlestick pattern. So the bear cycle complete. I had a strong wick rejection here on the 4 hour. Got a morning star, and this morning star formed on Sunday. I don't trade Sundays though. I don't even think I looked at the charts on Sunday, but I saw this Monday, and the morning star on the daily engulfing candle. So on the 15, and today is Tuesday, by the way, but Monday I took 2 positions on silver. One of them was a quick 1-to-1. It hit my take profit right up here. And the second one, I kept it running overnight, which is my TP2, this green line. So the take profit hit this morning. And then I saw another setup on silver. I took one more buy today. So the whole thing with this trade, I know I'm only looking for buys. So this bearish candle, I'm not gonna fall for this. This is just to go down, hit all the stops that are sitting here. I think I say this every video, but if you buy in here, then you know you got your stop loss sitting below here. And the market always come back for the stops, man. So bearish candle cleared all the stops and the liquidity here. Then the market shot up. And you can see, I think my risk to reward was a little off. I think it was actually here, somewhere here, I don't remember. But in a 5-minute, you also had a morning star candlestick pattern, which looks pretty similar to the morning star on the 4-hour time frame. So this is a bullish candlestick pattern. So when I saw that wick rejection, this morning star, jumped in the trade. I'm gonna take profit right at the top, and it just hit and went back into, you know, contraction. It's pretty much the end of the trading day. It starts to slow down, you know, like 11, 12. So this is probably done for the day here, but 3 for 3 to start the week. Can't complain. And I'm gonna probably continue to just look at silver the rest of the week, because I mean, this is a clear setup. There's really no guessing with this. I was looking at gold too, but gold it's kind of all over the place for me right now. So I just try to keep it simple, try to trade what's clear. And for me, silver is clear as day. You buy the W's, and you sell the M's. That's it. Keep it simple. That's it. And I really stopped using a lot of indicators. The only one I'll even look at is the RSI, but even then, you can't really trust the RSI sometimes, because you know, when you start to hit 68, 70, it's kind of the market is overbought, and you would expect it to sell off. Like the RSI would drop from, you know, 77 back down to 20. That's what you would expect. But like I said, if you're in a bullish market for silver right now, which it does appear to be bullish to me, then I would not, you know, look for a sell off this RSI. Now, if this was in a bearish market and I'm looking for sales, you can kind of use, you know, the RSI for like divergence. You know, if this is making, you know, a higher high and the candles are making like a lower low, you can kind of use that as divergence. But yeah, I really don't use too many indicators. Try to keep it simple. Too many indicators, they start to confuse me. You got one that's showing buy, one that's showing sell. Then it's like, what do I do? You click buy and sell at the same time? Nah. So yeah, I just try to stay away from the indicators. Pay attention to the candlestick patterns and the cycles of the market. Bearish cycle looks to be completed. I'm expecting the bullish cycle to keep on running. But yeah, that's it. Done for the day. This video extra long. If y'all have any questions, hit me up.